Where else? Meron pa isang heat mechanism. More than one pa. From the, okay, from beneath the earth, where molten rock or molten earth is flowing, you can take some of that heat, bring it to the surface, and then use it to do work. For example, have you been to Los Baños swimming pool? They're hot. They're hot. Some are, yeah. So, tinan mo yan, no? Because there are people in Los Baños and the rest of the people living around Mount Makiling, they're living on top of a volcano. Or beside a volcano. Or, yeah, on top of the whole thing is a volcano. And by allowing water to go down and then absorb some of the heat from under the ground and then pump it back up, then they are able to get hot water. In fact, they have lots of water too because of the forest, but yeah, that's the source of hot water is there. Have you passed through a corner going to southern Tagalog that says Macban? MAK/BAN. Macban Geothermal Plant. Okay. Who lives south of Manila? Or south of Calamba? Malayo na. No, okay lang yun. Malapit pa rin yun kahit hindi yan. Okay. There's a place at the foot of Mount Makiling where electricity is produced by injecting water into the ground. And then that water is injected into a very hot region under the ground. It will immediately turn into steam, you know what steam is, right? And then, because it becomes gas now, steam, it will immediately rise back up very fast through a pipe. Now that pipe is connected to a wheel. So the movement of the steam will cause the wheel to turn. And then it will generate, this is mechanical work, right? And it's connected to an electric generator producing electricity. That is the Makiling Banahaw kaya Macban Geothermal Power Plant. It's one of the, Philippines, by the way, is one of the leading users of geothermal power because we are not, I don't know, for some reason we do not have nuclear power. I know the reason, of course, but I hope we get some nuclear power plants built. Okay? Huh? No, but it's a tourist spot. It's not a power plant. It's a tourist spot. You go there, you take pictures, you pay 200 pesos. But that's not what it's for. It's there to produce electricity. So we free ourselves from the oil exporting countries. But too much politics, too much discussion about it might leak radiation and we will all die. The rest of the world is already, the rest of the developed world is already using nuclear power. And the poor countries like us, sometimes this environmentalism can be distorted as well. It's good to have enforcement. This is not environmental science. I also think some risk you have to take. Japan, the tragedy of Japan is just a tragedy. It doesn't mean that because we had nuclear leakage and because of the tsunami that nuclear power is Philippines has the most expensive electricity in, I think we are up there in the world. Wow, mahal na kurente, pinakamahal dito kurente. Pero pinakamura sa Pilipinas, ang hindi, ang kanin. 7 pesos lang per cup. Okay, right.